Hey, I'm Frederick. So, while I'm playing Assassin's Creed here, I'm going to explain the exact system to get ahead of like 99% of people, I think. Most people, they never make it past level 1. And it only takes like 5 minutes a day to escape. This is the system, the exact one. So, everyone says you need to work harder, right? Be more motivated. Find your passion. Set bigger goals. That's bullshit advice that doesn't work. Because here's what they don't tell you. This is actually the best time in human history to get ahead. Not because there are more opportunities or whatever, but because there's more distraction. TikTok has been downloaded more than 4 billion times. Almost half of Americans use it monthly. It's like half the population is voluntarily destroying their dopamine systems and attention spans every single day. And honestly, I couldn't be happier about it, because if you're the only sober person in a room full of addicts, you win by default. That's just how it works. Okay, so level 1 is easy. Do the slightly annoying thing instead of the easy thing. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Instead of drinking a soda, drink a glass of water. Instead of immediately reaching for your phone and opening up TikTok, listen to like a podcast or something. These aren't hard, you know? They are just slightly annoying. Your brain is like, wait a minute, I just want to take the easy way, so it throws a tiny fit. However, here's the thing. 99% of people aren't going to do this. They're going to take the escalator. They're going to order a soda. They're going to immediately reach for TikTok and start mindlessly scrolling through it as soon as they get their phone out. I call this the collective comfort zone. We're all doing the easy thing together, so it feels normal. We're all taking the escalator together. We're all drinking a soda together. It feels fine. However, just so you know, fine is where you're going to be stuck for the next 20 years. Level 1 is all about stepping out of this bubble. So when you can do this without even thinking about it, without even realizing what you're doing, that's when you're ready to move on to level 2, and most people aren't going to get there. Most people can't even get through level 1, which is great for you, honestly. Level 2 is different though. Level 1 is annoying. Level 2 is scary. Here's the deal. Do one uncomfortable thing every single day. Not something inconvenient, mind you. Something uncomfortable. Something that makes your stomach knot up, you know? Something your brain is going to go out of its way to tell you not to do. So, talk to that person you're intimidated by. Send that email you've been dodging for weeks now. Have that tough conversation. Apply for that job you know you're not qualified for. Post that video even though you're scared people will judge you. Your brain will throw every excuse at you. Not today. I'm tired. I'll do it tomorrow. What if it goes badly? Do it anyway. This is why this strategy works. Nobody else is doing it. And by nobody else, I mean nobody else. Nobody else is challenging themselves to be uncomfortable every single day. They avoid it. They put it off until the right time. Do this for 3 to 4 months. Be uncomfortable for just one thing each day, and you'll be light years ahead of everyone else around you. Not because you're better than anyone else or more talented than anyone else, just because everyone else is hiding in their comfort zone while you're making yours bigger. Level 3 is where most folks actually quit, because it's not just uncomfortable, it's painful. Level 1 gets on your nerves. Level 2 brings on the nerves. Level 3 is straight up painful. The rule? Do one painful thing every single day. Not just uncomfortable, painful, something that really hurts. Physically, mentally, emotionally, it doesn't matter. Pain is pain. Now here's the thing. Asking someone out is uncomfortable, right? Well, it hurts if they say no. If they say yes, then you didn't really hit level 3. Level 3 is going after that pain on purpose. Making it a daily thing. Why bother? Because pain's coming for you either way. You can pick the pain you face now, or life will pick it for you later. And trust me, the pain life picks is way worse. I choose the gym's pain over being a weak, sick old guy. I choose the pain of learning tough skills over regret and missed chances. I choose the controlled pain of discipline over the chaotic pain of consequences. The pain isn't the problem. You are. I'm talking about when you victimize yourself. The pain is just a sign of something. If you want it to be a sign of growth, then it is. If you want it to be a sign of suffering, then it is. We're all complainers, aren't we? Why me? Why is this happening to me? Poor me. We victimize ourselves. We don't learn anything. We don't get any stronger. You can choose differently, though. You can choose to say, hey, this is just another rep in the gym of life. I'm going to get stronger. And while everybody else is running from pain, you're running towards it. That makes you unstoppable. Okay, got it? Here's the list explained in simple terms. Level 1. Small wins. Kind of annoying, but doable. Most people can't even manage this. Level 2. One uncomfortable thing a day. About 90% of people won't do this. Level 3. One painful thing a day. 99% of people won't even bother to try. And if you just stick to level 2, where you're just doing one awkward thing a day, you're already ahead of almost everybody. Level 3 puts you in the top 1% of the population. You don't have to be talented. You don't have to be lucky. You just have to be someone who is willing to take the road that 99% of the other people are not taking. 5 minutes a day. That's it. One small win. One awkward movement. One painful rep. And while everybody else is scrolling, zoning out, staying right where they are, you're building. You're building slowly. You're building quietly. The bar is on the floor. Step over it. All right, thanks for watching. If you want more brutal truth about psychology, money, and why your brain keeps sabotaging you, please subscribe. See you soon.